An interdisciplinary approach in education involves the integration of knowledge and methods from two or more disciplines or subject areas to create a more comprehensive and holistic understanding of a particular topic or issue. It emphasizes the connections and overlaps between different fields of study and seeks to break down the traditional boundaries between them. In an interdisciplinary approach, students are encouraged to think critically and creatively about complex issues and problems, and to draw upon a range of perspectives and sources of information to develop informed and well-rounded solutions. Teachers often work collaboratively to design learning experiences that incorporate multiple disciplines and encourage students to make connections between them. Interdisciplinary education can be particularly effective in preparing students for the complex challenges of the modern world, where many issues require a multifaceted understanding and the ability to work across different domains of expertise. It can also help to foster a more integrated and inclusive understanding of knowledge, where the different voices and perspectives are valued and integrated into the learning process. Here are some examples of interdisciplinary approaches in education. Environmental science. In an interdisciplinary approach to environmental science, students might study the integrations between living organisms and their environment. This would involve learning about biology, ecology, geology, and chemistry, among other subjects. Global health. In an interdisciplinary approach to global health, students might explore the factors that influence health and diseases across different countries and cultures. This would involve learning about biology, epistemology, sociology, anthropology, and economics, among other subjects. Digital media studies. In an interdisciplinary approach to digital media studies, students might examine the impact of digital technologies on society and culture. This would involve learning about media studies, computer science, psychology, and communications, among other subjects. Civic engagement. In an interdisciplinary approach to civic engagement, students might explore how individuals can participate in their communities and effect change. This would involve learning about political science, sociology, psychology, and history, among other subjects. Sustainability. In an interdisciplinary approach to sustainability, students might examine the way in which human activities impact the environment and the economy. This would involve learning about environmental science, economics, and social policy, among other subjects. Now we will discuss about application of interdisciplinary approach in mathematics. Mathematics is a subject that can be applied in various fields, making it an ideal candidate for interdisciplinary research. Here are some examples of how an interdisciplinary approach can be applied in mathematics. First, mathematical biology. The field of mathematical biology involves the use of mathematical models and techniques to study biological phenomena such as population dynamics, epidemiology, and ecology. Researchers in this field may collaborate with biologists, epidemiologists, and environmental scientists to develop and apply mathematical models to predict and understand the behavior of biological systems. Second, computational science. The use of computers to solve complex scientific problems has become an integral part of many scientific fields, including mathematics. Researchers in this computational science may collaborate with mathematicians to develop and apply numerical algorithms, optimization methods, and statistical models to solve scientific problems in fields such as physics, chemistry, and engineering. Mathematical finance. The field of mathematical finance involves the use of mathematical models and statistical techniques to analyze and manage financial risk. Researchers in this field may collaborate with economists, statisticians, and financial analysts to develop and apply mathematical models to forecast financial markets, evaluate investment strategies, and manage financial risk. Mathematical education. The field of mathematical education involves the study of how students learn mathematics and how to improve mathematics education. Researchers in this field may collaborate with educators, psychologists, and cognitive scientists to develop and apply mathematical models to learning and instruction and to develop effective teaching strategies for students of all ages and abilities. In each of these interdisciplinary fields, mathematicians work collaboratively with experts from other disciplines to develop and apply mathematical models and techniques to solve complex problems and answer important questions. Now, the question arises how we can teach through an interdisciplinary approach in secondary stage. Teaching through an interdisciplinary approach in secondary stage involves integration multiple subject or disciplines in one single lesson or project. Here are some steps you can take to teach through an interdisciplinary approach in secondary stage. First, identify the learning objectives. We have to start by identifying the key learning objectives for the lesson or project. Consider which subject or discipline can be integrated to achieve those objectives. Second, collaborate with other teachers. Identify other teachers who teach the subject you want to integrate and collaborate with them. Discuss how you can integrate your subjects and develop a plan for teaching together. Third, design a project or lesson plan. Develop a project or lesson plan that integrates the subjects you identified. This could be a project-based learning activity or a lesson that incorporates multiple subjects. Fourth one is use multiple teaching strategies. Use a variety of teaching strategies to engage students and help them make connection between different subjects. This could include lectures, discussion, group work, and hands-on activities. Fifth one is assess student learning. Develop assessments that measure students' learning in all the integrated subjects. This will help you and the other teachers evaluate the effectiveness of the interdisciplinary approach and make any necessary adjustments. At last, reflect on the experience. After the lesson or project is complete, reflect on the experience with the other teachers. Consider what worked well and what could be improved for future interdisciplinary lessons. Overall, teaching through an interdisciplinary approach in secondary stage requires collaboration, creativity, and flexibility. With the right planning and execution, this approach can help students develop a deeper understanding of how different subjects related to each other and how they can apply their knowledge to the real world situations. Now, try this.